We have constructed the map of unemployment rates. You can click on the colored areas on the map to view the names of these areas and corresponding unemployment rates. Notice that our map has only 3 areas. Now we can add the rest of local government areas in the Sydney metropolitan region. First, use the Zoom Out tool to view a wider area of the map. Now, choose the Freehand tool in the upper left corner of the map. Press down to start and let go to finish your selection. The areas you added to the map first will become yellow. If you missed an area you wish to include, or if you added an unnecessary area, choose the tool Single. It allows you to select or deselect single areas on your map. Continue until you select all the local government areas in the Sydney metropolitan region. Now click the button Apply Changes. Zoom out to have the full view of your map. Your map should include the region bounded by the waterfront to the east, by the Sutherland Shire and Campbelltown to the south, by Camden, Liverpool and Penrith to the west, and by the hills and Hornsby to the north. Now we can refine how our map looks by using tools on the left side of the page. Change the number of ranges that the map displays to 5. To change the colors of the map, click on the drop-down list under the word Palette. Select a color palette you prefer. I will leave the default red-grey palette. To change the opacity of the map, click on the Thematic Opacity slider. You can select the value between 0% and 100%. I recommend the opacity level of around 70%. Now notice the colored squares above. It is a map legend. A map legend is the key to colors and symbols on the map. In our case, the darker the color, the higher unemployment rate in that area. The dark red represents the highest unemployment rate of more than 7.59%. The light grey represents an unemployment rate of less than 3.69%. Now let's see how we can interpret this map. It is a choropleth map. A choropleth map is a thematic map featuring areas colored or shaded according to the data topic of interest. In our case, we have constructed a choropleth map of unemployment rates. This map type is best used not only to record the presence of socio-economic characteristics, but to suggest their spatial patterns and distribution. Our map demonstrates how unemployment is distributed across the Sydney metropolitan area. This geographical distribution is rather unequal, with the darker colored areas on the map having the highest unemployment rates. Now look at the map again. Click on the areas one by one and write down the names of the areas with the highest unemployment rates. Now record the names of the areas with the lowest unemployment rates. You may wish to record the areas with in-between values of unemployment rates. You will need this information while compiling your mapping workshop report at home. Unfortunately, the basic free version of the table builder that we use does not allow to display the names of the areas once you have saved the map as a PDF. We will learn how to save your map in the next video.